Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Let me show you how to make my recipe for moist baked chicken breast. Here are the ingredients: Italian seasoning, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic salt, baby bella mushrooms, baby spinach, green beans, chicken breasts. Place 4 chicken breasts in a Ziploc bag and gently pound them with a mallet to even out their thickness. Remove the chicken breasts from the Ziploc bag and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. A half teaspoon of black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A half teaspoon of paprika. And a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Turn the chicken breasts over and repeat the same measurements for the other side. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil evenly over a baking pan to prevent sticking. Place the seasoned chicken breasts on the prepared baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Then add 1 cup of baby bella mushrooms. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a half teaspoon of garlic salt. Then add a cup of baby spinach. Mix well. Add 1 cup of green beans and a half cup of diced red bell pepper. Sauté for a few minutes or until the vegetables become tender. After 30 minutes, check whether the chicken is fully cooked. Serve the baked chicken breasts with the sautéed vegetables. Enjoy! If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Connect with me on all my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.